Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. KCB sent the uncles to Lobola his baby mama. Congratulations to the couple. Moving on, Kwezin Ndlovu celebrated her Lobola on the 10th of November 2024. Her husband is allegedly 45 years old and his name is Sbongiseni Mbambo from Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal. Allegedly, he owns Mushroom Lounge in Umhlanga Rocks, Durban North. Congratulations to Kwezi and her husband. Thank you for watching.
I love him so much. So much. Oh.